Welders are in demand. Over 43,000 welding jobs are available nationwide. And the Welding Technology program at Universal Technical Institute can prepare graduates for the industry in less than a year. The focus is on teaching the major types of arc welding to help students fill these roles. Arc welding is like other fusion welding processes, joining metals to form new shapes and objects. It does this by using an electric arc that creates an intense amount of heat. The heat generated reaches around 6,500 degrees Fahrenheit. A power source creates the arc between an electrode and base material, melting them at the point of contact and creating a welding circuit. A welding circuit is the path that the welding output flows through. It consists of a power source, the electrode, work cables or leads, and an electric arc. Equipment used in arc welding includes welding machines, electrode holders, cables and leads, cable connectors, shipping hammers and wire brushes, protective clothing and face shields. There are 4 main arc welding processes, and all are taught in UTI's 36-week welding technology program. They include gas metal arc welding, or GMAW, also known as metal inert gas, MIG, and metal active gas, MAG, welding. The GMAW process uses constant voltage equipment to create heat from a direct current electric arc. It does this by carrying a current between a continuous solid wire electrode sent through the welding gun, accompanied by a shielding gas and the workpiece. Shielded metal arc welding, or SMAW, also known as stick welding. The SMAW process uses constant current equipment to create heat from a direct current or alternating current between a flux-coated electrode and the workpiece. FLUX-CORED arc welding, or FCAW. The FCAW process uses constant voltage equipment to create heat from a direct current electric arc. It does this by carrying current between a continuous hollow wire with a flux compound that is either accompanied by a shielding gas or used as the protecting agent itself. Gas tungsten arc welding, or GTAW. GTAW uses constant current equipment to create heat from either a direct current or alternating current electric arc. It does this between a current carrying a tungsten electrode, accompanied by a shielding gas and the workpiece. The Welding Technology program is offered at 7 UTI campuses nationwide: Avondale, Arizona; Long Beach, California; Rancho Cucamonga, California; Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas; Houston, Texas; Lisle, Illinois; Bloomfield, New Jersey. The welding industry is growing. Get the education you need and let UTI help prepare you for an exciting career doing what you love.